You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this bird. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, including from animal world, kingdom, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced generally, the correct pronunciation is pronounced as Towhee. Now, many say it as Towhee as well. I think it comes from the sound that it makes. Towhee, Towhee, something like that. So it's pronounced Towhee. You normally pronounce the H as in the Eastern Towhee, spotted or spotted Towhee, California Towhee. Some say it also as Towhee, which is also correct. You can say it Towhee or Towhee. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.